Take a ride in the 2021 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, tire pressure monitor, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, tires, rear all-season, privacy glass, rear wheel drive, front disc rear drum brakes. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.